Hi, this video is to show you how to use the walkthrough add-on for Concrete5. Let's go ahead and add it. Alright, the basic steps here is that every block that you want to have in your walkthrough needs to have a class added to it, which is the class name being walkthrough hyphen and then the step number that you want. So that's what we need to do first. There's instructions here, but I'll tell you how to do it. But let's go ahead and just press add here. Okay, so the first step that we want in our tutorial is that for this text block. So, whoops, not edit. Go to design. CSS tab, and then you write walkthrough and the step number. So that's the first step. Let's copy that. Okay, for our second step, we're going to come over here to a different add-on, the upcoming events add-on. It's a block that's showing some upcoming events. Oh, did edit again. Okay. Do design and then CSS tab. This is step 2, so we'll change that to -2. And for the last step, you can have any number of steps, but we'll just have 3 steps here. We're going to do that form down there. So the nice thing about this walkthrough add-on is you can really use any type of block. So we have a content block here, upcoming events block here, and a form block there. Let's do a few more settings for our walkthrough. So let's edit walkthrough. Now it comes straight to the edit steps tab. Before we were looking at this tab, but it's brought us here because we need to fill in our text for each one. Let's just say okay, and that's for that block of text. And then step 2 was the calendar, so please have a look at our upcoming events. Now notice that it says HTML is okay here. So we could put anything in here. Let's say we wanted to really say please by making it bold. But you obviously don't have to use that, but if you want to, it's there. The last one is the form. Okay, so those are our 3 steps. Let's look over at the options tab. Normally you'll want it to auto start for new visitors. You could have it every page load, or you could have it never auto start. In that case, you would want to rely on having a start button, maybe something that says start site walkthrough, or maybe start tutorial. Another option is here. It's a little more technical, but if you have a JavaScript, you could call this function, it will start it. Or you could just add a class to a link or a button or something, and if you add this class to it, then I'll start the walkthrough when someone clicks on that. Okay, one last thing before I save this. You could send a user to another page after the walkthrough is completed. So this is useful if you want to show people some features on a certain page and then take them to a new page, and then the tutorial continues. But let's just keep this on a single page. Alright, notice that this button appeared that I added. You can style that with CSS if you want to. But I'll publish this and then we'll see what it looks like. Oh, I forgot that I made it only once per visitor. So for this demo, I'll just make it be every visit. Oh, I made it never. Let's do every page load. That way you can see how it will auto start. So when someone comes to your site, they'll see, hi and welcome to my site, here's some information. And they can press next, or they press skip to end it. Notice that this is bold. And here's it, it's highlighting the upcoming events. Now you can use left and right arrow keys, or you can click on these. And then the last one. So I could press done here, and if it's continuing on a new page, it will say next page. That's pretty much all there is to it. This button should also restart it. But I think you get the idea. Please let me know if you have any questions through the forums or sending me a private message at CELWELL username. Thanks.